Alright, what's up, Amayan? And today I will show you how to download, install, and update and use Microsoft Powertoys. So the first step in this guide is to installing the Microsoft Powertoys. I will provide this link in the given description. You can check it out and download from there. So there are two main recommended ways to download Microsoft Powertoys. Download Microsoft Powertoys from the GitHub page or download it from the Microsoft Store. GitHub will always provide you the latest version, but Microsoft Store is not going to provide you the latest version. So there are some also requirements. Windows 11 and Windows 10 are the only supported versions. If you want to check it out, go to your settings and systems, go to your about, and here you will find all the requirements that if you are eligible for it or not. Well, as you can see, I have the latest version of Windows 10 Pro and also have 64-bit operating system, which means my system is currently supporting the Microsoft Powertoys. Also, we need to check these as well. Okay, now let's show you on the first step. So the first step is to downloading Windows exe file via the GitHub. So open the Microsoft GitHub page. As you can see, the Powertoys has the x64 version and ARM64 version. I'm gonna download the x64 because that is my system. If you're using an ARM device with the ARM operating architecture, then you can download the ARM64 exe file, or you can simply download the x64 if you're using an Intel or AMD based chip. So this is how it's gonna work. Okay, I have downloaded the x64 bit. Now there are other methods to download the Microsoft Powertoys. The second one is the Microsoft Store. Let's open the link here. Now as you can see, Microsoft Powertoys is working. I'm gonna install it. It's gonna open the Microsoft Store. I've already installed the Microsoft Powertoys, but this is not gonna ask me to install it again. Neither it is gonna give me an update. So if you want to update it, you can simply download from the GitHub or just update it if you have already installed the Microsoft Powertoys. Let me show you here. In the settings, as you can see, update is available and it is ready to install. I'm gonna install it later and show you later. First, let's check out some other methods of installing Microsoft Powertoys. Okay, the next one is first let me show you. If you do not need to get to any website, just open the Microsoft Store and search for Powertoys and open the Microsoft Powertoys app. Wait for it to load, and then as you can see, it is already installed. You can simply install from here and update it later manually, or you can also use a command line. This is my favorite method. Just copy this link, the whole command, and then search for PowerShell and run as administrator. Say yes to the prompt and then right click on it and press enter. This is gonna ask for an agreement if you have not already installed the Microsoft Powertoys. If you have, it is gonna not ask you for your agreement. If it is gonna ask for agreement, just type type Y and press enter. This is gonna install manually and with all the recommended settings that are available for it. I have already installed the Microsoft Powertoys, so it's not gonna let me install it again. Okay, now these methods I'm not recommend you or gonna try to show you. Okay, there are some other methods, Chocolatey, but I will not recommend you to do that. If you wanna use this Chocolatey, you need to install Chocolatey first, or Scoop. Okay, after installation, there is an update method that I'm gonna show you right now. It is being downloaded, but I don't need that. You can download it later and open and install it like any other software. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how you can update this. First of all, you need to go search for Powertoys. Okay, it is not showing on my search menu. I don't know why. Let me search for Microsoft. Nope, not showing up. Okay, it's running but not showing. Let me go to the apps, and then as you can see, the Powertoys preview is showing here. Open the app. Now as you can see, an update is available. Now let me show you how to go to your general and download the update, check for updates, and install now. This is gonna update the currently installed Powertoys to the current settings. Not gonna change anything for you. Let's wait for it to complete the installation. Alright then, as you can see, I have updated my Microsoft Powertoys app to the latest version. This is gonna give you some highlights if you wanna check devs out. Okay, now these are all the tools that are coming with the Microsoft Powertoys. There is an always on top option and also the shortcut key. Okay, I'm gonna show you if I right click on the Microsoft Powertoys if it is working. Sorry about that. And here are all the shortcuts that you can use. Cool. Documentation, bug report, and settings. There are some other tools that you can use. Always on top, awake, power name, and lots of the things. You need to explore those by yourself. I can't walk you through one by one. There are all the things like file openers, find my phone. Find my mouse is something I really like. Double clicking on control and you can find your mouse. Pretty cool, right? There is paste as plain text, paint, power rename, my power toys, run, and lots of stuff. That is very useful and is not coming with Mac Windows anymore. Powertoys is the only way to do that. These are some modules that I do not use very often, so I have disabled them. In general, you can see you can press the check for updates if you want to know how to update that. And Microsoft Powertoys is now up to date. You can search for updates automatically, always run as an administrator, app theming, and lots of the stuffs. Okay, so what now? Let me walk you through one by one. Always on top is very useful if you wanna pin a window. Do if you put a window in always on top, it's gonna not gonna go awake. Awake is something very useful. It's gonna never gonna make your sleep. You can color pick easily with this color picker, and there is a lot of stuff. Crop and lock, very useful utility available in the Microsoft Powertoys app. A quick utility of managing environmental variables. Never used that. Fancy zones is something I really use and love. There are a lot of stuff, like a lot of ton of stuff, and always coming new stuff with the updates. So Microsoft Powertoys is very useful and I am using it regularly because I like it. But this is not a sponsored video. I wish I get some sponsors, but you know, I don't have such subscribers. I'll get soon, I hope. Keyboard manager is something that I came handy with me. I, if you did not know, I lost my escape key, and escape key is not working, so I remapped it with the keyboard manager to my right alt key. If I press the right alt key, it will provide the function of an escape key. Pretty cool, right? If you lose any key, you can just don't need to buy a new keyboard or fix it. Just use this keyboard manager and you're good to go. Well, there is a lot of stuff. Peek is a quick and easy way. Power rename. Oh yeah, power rename. If you wanna rename multiple files at once, you can use that. And there are lots of other stuff. So this video was all about Microsoft Powertoys on how to download, install and use Microsoft Powertoys. And there you go. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.